I think if you're in a beautiful place like Hangzhou, China, like Lake, West Lake, it's easier to take good pictures. The challenge is to be able to take good pictures in a not so beautiful place. That's the hardest part. But if you're in a beautiful place, it's very easy. As long as you know how to do composition, how to get the right light, the right timing when taking pictures of something that's moving, it's easy. So it's kind of like lucky for me to be here in Hangzhou, China, because there are so many places to photograph that's beautiful over here. I mean, even though it's not beautiful, the subject doesn't have to be beautiful, but that's how you photograph it makes it beautiful. Also, I'm trying to tell a story through a series of images that I'm going to compile together later to form a photography essay. So it's sort of like a documentary photography. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching this video. Hopefully you subscribe, follow, and like so you get updated with my new content. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.